Okay class, so for homework tonight you need to do reading, and there's some questions with the reading that I'd like to have you do so we can talk about them tomorrow.
Will the questions be graded?
Well, no, they're not going to be graded, but they're very important to facilitate the discussion and just kind of to generally understand the concepts in the class. Hi, my name is Ray LeBlanc, and as a high school business teacher, I know that if I give an assignment that's not graded, odds are my students aren't going to give it a whole lot of time or effort.
My name is Alex Baba, and this disconnect ties directly to Dr. Nunemaker's collaboration principle number 2, the importance and value of team goals. This principle is also supported within the goals layer of the 7-layer model by Dr. DeVried and Dr. Briggs. They contend private goals must align with group goals in order for teams to succeed.
So when I entered the MBA program as a teacher, I expected to bolster my content knowledge in business. What I've actually learned is how applicable the concepts are to what I do every day in managing a classroom and trying to motivate, engage, and inspire students. So when we're looking at this concept of team goals, it's no doubt important in business, but it's just as applicable to a variety of educational settings as well. And that's what our focus is going to be in this presentation. Classrooms are collaborative settings with clear leaders, teachers. The teacher is tasked not only with presenting course content, but also with motivating and engaging students. These motivation and engagement pieces demonstrate how the job of teachers also includes creating collaborative environments. The skit you witnessed at the start of the video happens in classrooms across the country every day. While teachers value true content mastery, students are often only interested if the work that they do impacts their grade. They aren't interested in learning the material for the sake of learning it. So what we have is a situation where their goals are misaligned.
So what can be done about this? How do we stress the importance and value of team goals? Dr. Nunemaker says, keep the goal front and center. Evaluate and reward performance. So what does this look like in teaching? First, we need to remind students of the learning objectives. Next, show students how the specific content fits within the big picture and meets learning objectives. And for evaluate and reward performance, need to focus on grading for learning. Most students are motivated by grades. The focus for teachers when grading should be purposeful and focused on learning. By creating shared goals among teachers and students, classrooms become more effective and learning improves.
While creating shared goals within classrooms is important, it is also beneficial to create and follow through on team goals between classrooms and beyond. A publication from the Rutgers Center for Educational Policy Analysis identified fostering the acceptance of group goals as a key component of successful schools. It encouraged teachers to not work autonomously so much and focus on using shared efforts to accomplish shared goals, or working collaboratively. Additional recent research from the Rutgers Graduate School of Education espouses the usefulness of professional learning communities in schools, or PLCs for short. Their research concluded that educators have a wealth of knowledge and skills that are invaluable when planning lessons for students, and these skills should be shared. So how do PLCs look? Though PLCs can take many forms, they are most commonly used as vehicles for collaboration among teachers of similar subjects. For example, all 6th grade English teachers at Beadle Middle School in Millard meet once a week to discuss curriculum, collaborate on upcoming assignments, and review past results. Teachers in other subject areas hold the same type of meetings as well. Benefits to this system include cross-pollination of ideas among several professionals during meetings, and consistent exposure of topics and concepts to all students within the school.
This second component speaks to another important application of the concept of shared goals. While it is important that students are provided unique learning opportunities tailored to their interests and capabilities, they must at least learn the minimum standards to move on to the next grade. It can create havoc to have students enter a math class with a wide variety of math skills. To meet this challenge, goals must be clearly defined and shared across grade levels. To this end, teachers should be consistently reminded of the standards to be met. Perhaps even more impactful is the alignment of goals between high school teachers and college professors. Research has proven a clear gap exists between these areas. A 2009 study published in the Journal of College Science Teaching showed that high school teachers and college professors differ on what they consider the most important priorities for students to know. High school teachers look for facts and terms, while college professors desire problem-solving skills. This incongruence in goals leads to wasted time and resources in college freshmen taking remedial classes that better prepare them with the skills college professors actually desire. Ways to improve the handoff include communication between universities and school districts. Everybody needs to know the goals. These parties should also establish common standards which focus on the skills that students truly need to know for college.
In conclusion, there are many gains to be had from effective collaboration and shared goals in education. Goals need to be shared and aligned among students and teachers to maximize learning. PLCs provide a model for successful collaboration among teachers teaching the same course and across grades. The handoff of students from high school to college can be improved with an open line of communication and the creation of shared goals. By stressing the importance and value of team goals in these ways, students, teachers, and professors can elevate education and get more out of their educational experience.